Thank you for staying with us. Former Bibb Superintendent Romain Dallemand resigned 2 days ago, but now he's $350,000 richer, and taxpayers are footing the bill for his legal fees, according to a severance package he and the board agreed on. But is it legal? Attorney Jay Davis is here after a long time, Jay.
It's been a little while, Andrew.
It's been a while, man. It's been almost a month, maybe a little less than a month.
Maybe slightly less.
But you know what? He's back, and we're happy to have him. So Dallemand is no longer the superintendent. His last day was, I believe, yesterday or the day before. Why are we still paying for his legal fees then?
Well, it's a good day to be an accused, isn't it?
Yeah.
We got some legal problems that are coming on, and we'll give you $350,000 to move on out of it.
Well, you know, and I could take $350,000 any day.
Yeah. Give me $350, I'll move on for a year.
So what happens? I mean, the taxpayers, a lot of people have commented on our website. They're furious about this because there are 3 lawsuits against him right now. And basically the agreement, item 5 in the severance agreement, which you can read on 41NBC.com, says that he doesn't have to pay for
none of his legal fees, doesn't have to pay. Now, of course, there's a little bit of stipulations that seem to give him some room out.
Mm-hmm.
They say reasonable expenses, things that he did non-voluntarily,
words like that. The first line
However,
says
they sort of come back.
Yeah, the first line says to the extent that the law provides, basically. So
to the extent that the law provides could kind of limit that.
Okay.
Probably won't really limit that, but they also say some things on things that he did, you know, in an appropriate manner while he was there. There's at least one of the lawsuits accuses him personally. It's not against the Board of Education, it's against him personally, and that's accusing him of doing something that's beyond his scope.
That's
so they
the
could
one
weasel out of that.
Former board member.
But the problem is later on in the document they put out, hey, we're not going to do anything to disparage you. We'll never make that claim.
Okay.
So they sort of take themselves out.
Another question I had was if his contract is ruled illegitimate, the renewed contract that they renewed on December 3rd. That's one of the lawsuits. It says that contract's basically illegal. Does he have to pay back?
They're going to pay for him to defend that lawsuit, and if he wins or loses, it's not going to matter. He's going to be gone. He's going to be $350,000 richer.
He doesn't have to pay that back at all.
Our property taxes are hard at work.
Really? That's interesting because you'd think that if he were to lose that lawsuit,
well, this is all based on the lawsuit is pending, so they don't really care what the outcome of the lawsuit is. They're sort of trying to hedge their bets and say, you know what we're going to get him out of there. Probably wasn't right in the first place. We're going to go ahead and get him out of there. We're going to work out some sort of arrangement to get rid of him so that it is no longer an issue in the lawsuit. Okay. What they're probably hoping for is that the lawsuit will sort of subside.
And as I said before, you know, a lot of people are angry about this. Some say it's perfectly okay, but from a lawyer standpoint, is this contract or is the severance agreement legal?
The contract is probably legal. I mean, you can contract for most anything you want to. Whether the public ought to be happy with what their board is doing with their money and the way that things are spending, that's a whole other issue.
Can't please everybody, right, Jay?
I don't think anybody will not be on this one except for one.
All right, Jay, thanks so much. And if you have a legal question, you can send it to us. We're going to answer it right here on the air with Attorney Jay Davis. All you have to do is email itsthelaw@41nbc.com.